Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download new apps on Nvidia Shield. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. You should find it right here. If not, select the apps on the left, and there's Google Play Store here as well, and get more apps. Click on that. This should transfer you to the Google Play Store, and here you should find all of the apps available, and if you can't see them here, you can use the search and use the speak button on your remote right here, or type in with a keyboard. If you want to download games, then change to the Games tab, and there's all games available right here as well, and you can find them using the same search button as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.